Jumping dance, let's sing today. Letters, words, and fun, hooray! ABC, let's start right now. Clap your hands and shout out loud. A is for ant, tiny and strong, marching, working all day long. Tip, tap, see them go, carrying food in a row. B's for bear, tiny and big, walking slowly or dancing a jig. Growl, growl, but don't be scared, a friendly bear who loves to share. T is for cow, standing so tall, moo, moo, come one, come all, eating grass so happy and free, giving milk for you and me. D is for dolphin, swimming free, jumping high in the deep blue sea. Flip, flip, splash, see him play, clap your hands and shout hooray! E is for eagle, soaring so high, flapping his wings in the bright blue sky. Whoosh, whoosh, watch him glide, looking down from the mountainside. It's a flamingo, standing so neat, with long pink legs and webbed feet, flapping her wings in the sunset's glow. Let's count the flamingos. 1, 2, 3, go! We learned so much, hooray, hooray. Letters D, E,